Hi guys, let me show you a functionable registration form using Java Swing. And this is my design, and it should have a name, gender, username, password, confirm password, email, phone, address, zip, country, and I have also three buttons, which is submit, reset, and close. And first, we need to run it so that I can show you. So type it first, my information. On gender, you can click male, female, others. I, so I choose male, username, is the Philippines. Then I will submit it. And this is my information. Enter name is Aryan Lakbao. Gender is male. Username is Bushido. Password Aryan123. Confirm is Aryan123. Email is aryan@gmail.com. Phone is 777 address is Palawan. Zip is 2428. The entered country is Philippines. And let me show you the code, the source code, so that I will explain it. First, I use a GUI like a panel, a text field, a checkbox, and also a combo box. And first on the design, I put a J label, and the text is a registration form. The next is name, gender, username, password, confirm password, email, phone, address, zip, country, and and the button is submit, then reset, and also close button. And first, on the text box or text field, on the on the gender text box, I use checkbox on the male, female, and others, so that you can pick on the tree. Next is it's the same, and the last, which is the country, I use a J combo box in order to pick a country. So this is the country. I listed all of the country in order to pick, so that every country should be listed. And 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 here first I add some code in here sa button, which is the submit button. If the checkbox is selected gender as male, female, and others, and also string username, text field, get text. If you're typing on the text box, the message should be when it's submitted should be like this. The entered name is blank blank, gender, username, password, confirm password, email, phone, address, and it should be like this. Should be like this. After that, after the submit button, I have added in here the set, If I wanna reset on the text field, then let me show you on the run. So if I select reset, then all of the things that I type is gonna gone. So it will be reset. Then for the close button, the last, I add some action event, which is the system exit. So if I click the button, I click the button close, then it's will and it's gonna be closed. Uh, Let me run it. Just to run. So I type it first. So when I submit it, it should be submit, and what I reset should be reset the name, and when I close, close. And I think that's it. Thank you.